Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, okay. One more time, no one. That's right. We got the rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right. Okay, wait. All right, wait. Now y'all two. And then you gotta play the winner. You gotta play the winner. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Nah, that wasn't right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, you playing weird. I don't like that. You're not playing right. You're playing weird. It's weird. Come on. Okay. One more time. Right.
You got on the Adidas show.
Final one. All right. So look. You come. Play him. Come on. So it's just the finals, all right? Size 12. Let's get it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right, okay. All right, it's the final one. All right, well, maybe. Let's see. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Get it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right. Size 12 to my boy. There you go. What's up, man? Alright. 6.5, size 9. 7, 9. 11, 12. And the white boy. First ones. Here. I got you. Hurry up. Hurry up. Ludlow, Soho.
Get right with the get right, man. Tom, man.
Yeah, okay.
Here, man.
What size you need?
11.
Okay. You heard my boy said 11. You quick.
Yeah,
You
shout out
quick.
Yachty, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, give my boys 11.
One of these, I
Boys
think, is
11.
Jay.